5-7 for 5 after 19. Pakistan having won the toss and decided to bat first. And Sohail Khan walks out to the middle. Might well have to do a whole lot of running. The hope from Pakistan is he doesn't have to run at all. And that would happen if Shoaib Malik can connect with the 6 balls that remain. That's the wicket of the skipper. Golden duck, very first ball. Just trying to guide it into the gap with third man out. It's in the air and he picks him out. It's up, up and away for 6. Shoaib Malik becomes the leading run getter in T20 internationals for Pakistan, surpassing Umar Akmal.
Very good start of the over from Pakistan. Shoaib Malik once again looking really good. Played extremely well yesterday and this time was looking to give a bit of room, saw the length and played it very comfortably.
It's a great start. Just the start that Pakistan require as they try to lift this score. They'd like to get more than 170. Nice shot. Lots of work to do for the sweeper. He'll keep it to 2. Importantly, Malik stays on strike.
I don't think Faf du Plessis will mind singles or even doubles at the moment. He doesn't want to see too many boundaries in the last few deliveries. That's why he's trying to move his fielders around. He's trying to cut those angles. Well, he's pushed mid-on right on the boundary. He's brought square leg in. He's got fine leg inside the boundary. Third man in. So he'll probably be looking to change the pace. What I can see from.
That helps things for Pakistan. Tough night out today for Ben Cutting. Yeah, a few nerves. You can see the nervous energy in that group as they sit in that dugout because it's kind of an in-between score, not quite as many as they would like. These lusty blows might help. Not that one. Oh dear, he's put it down.
Well. This ball might be a little slippery because there's a little bit of rain around. The easiest of the catches he's dropped. He had a really good run so far. And you talk about catching. He got himself quite comfortable under the ball. Couldn't really hold on to that.
When it's not going for you as a bowler, I tell you what. Oh, it's rather tough. And it seems everything conspires against you. He's gone for 45. He finally feels, oh, there you go, I've got one. At least I can have a wicket to my name, and down it goes. And he's still got half the over to try and complete. Shoaib Malik again, 33 from 21, score 168. Yeah, the surface has been a good one, and the difference, has got to be said, has been the bowling of the World 11 side. They've bowled much better. Man there, no, too far in, and away it goes all the way. 6 more.
Totally misjudged that one. Not sure why was he so in. If he would have been right on the boundary, it could have been easily taken. But Pakistan will take that 6. Very crucial runs. One more delivery.
Taken this time. That's a top catch by Paul Collingwood. It was racing that. Fabulous hand. It's done all right, but he held on to it. So Pakistan, with that dismissal of Shoaib Malik for a really good